Here is my pan phone camping out. And a pan phone means they has all 40 sounds of American English in it. I'm Tom Zarinskas reading this in my standard American accent. You can pause to read the data here, and I'll get to reading the story. Here is the story in regular spelling, and here it is in true spell phonetics, which I will read. We took provisions for camping in the mountains at Eagle Point in August, when a huge storm charged through, barely missing us. I'm sure grateful for that. And there is data below to see. And here are the 23 consonants and the 17 vowels rated in order of frequency. And here are the double consonants which show stress on other than the first syllable, the vowels frequency, and here is some data. We have the 36 vowels and 67 consonants, and some interesting ratio. Phoneme for words was 3.81, and we have 35% vowels and 65% consonants. This is good practice for doing English pronunciation. And if you can say all these sounds, you can say any word in American English.